If you're an IMG planning to pursue the USMLE, this video will give you a complete roadmap, from your first decision all the way to match day. Many candidates get confused, not because the exam is difficult, but because the process is fragmented across multiple websites. Let's simplify everything, step by step. Most IMGs get confused in the USMLE process for one simple reason. There are too many websites involved. There is no clear timeline from exam preparation to residency match. Many candidates mix up USMLE.org, FSMB, Intealth, ERAS, Thalamus, and NRMP. And poor planning between exam steps and application cycles can delay progress. Understanding this ecosystem is just as important as passing the exams themselves. Let's now simplify the entire journey. First, understand the exam at USMLE.org. Then prepare and assess yourself using NBME practice exams. Once ready, register through the FSMB portal. After receiving your scheduling permit, book your exam through Prometric. After passing, complete your ECFMG certification through Intealth. During match season, apply to residency programs via MyERAS. Schedule interviews through Thalamus. And finally, submit your rank order list through NRMP. Now let's break down each phase in detail. The journey begins at USMLE.org. This is the official source of information. Here, you review the exam syllabus and structure. You understand the format of Step 1, Step 2 CK, and Step 3. You check eligibility requirements and policy updates. This is where every candidate should start. Once you start preparing, you must assess your readiness. Visit NBME.org. Purchase official NBME practice exams. These help you evaluate your performance before scheduling the real exam. They also identify knowledge gaps early, allowing you to improve strategically. Never schedule your exam without proper assessment. When you feel ready, the next step is registration. Go to portal.fsmb.org. Here you register for Step 1, Step 2 CK, or Step 3. This portal manages your exam application, transcripts, and credentials. After approval, you can apply and receive your scheduling permit. However, you do not have to wait until you completely finish preparation to start registering. Credential verification can take several weeks to months, so it's actually smart to begin registration process while you are still preparing. Once you receive your permit, you book your exam at Prometric.com. You select your country, testing region, and center. You choose your preferred exam date. You can also reschedule if needed. Prometric is purely for scheduling, not registration. After passing your required exams, you proceed to certification. Visit Intealth.org. This is where IMGs complete credential verification. You apply through ECFMG pathways. You submit documentation and complete the certification process. ECFMG certification is mandatory before entering the match. During match season, applications are submitted through MyERAS at myeras.aamc.org. Here you search for residency programs. You upload your personal statement and letters of recommendation. You submit your residency applications. Timing is critical in this phase. If programs invite you for interviews, scheduling is done through Thalamus website. You select available interview slots. You track confirmations. You manage your interview calendar. Thalamus simplifies interview coordination. Finally, visit NRMP.org. This is where you submit your rank order list. You certify your rank list before the deadline, and then you participate in match day. This is the final step of the journey. The USMLE journey is not just about passing exams. It is about understanding the sequence. When you understand the ecosystem, preparation, registration, certification, application, and match, everything becomes structured and manageable. Plan strategically, follow the sequence, and move forward with clarity.